come here and we're going to photograph some birds. So it's kind of an overcast day. Looks like it might be clearing up a little bit, but we're going to see what we can find. There's a lot of little small lakes, creek. They have a lot of ducks, cranes, and a few other birds here. So I'll get back to you here in a minute. So I just found a great white egret, and we're going to see if we can sneak up on him. He's across the, I'll call it a pond. They may call it a creek, but it's a waterway. And looks like he's hunting for his dinner. So we're going to see if we can crawl up here a little bit and get a couple of shots of him. I'm shooting at ISO 1600. The shutter speed of about 3200 at f6.3, since I have the 180 to 600. I gotta tell you, I really love this lens. It's really good. So, but we're gonna sit down right here. I'm gonna flip this around so you can see what I got going on. In the back there, you'll see the white egret, and got another duck pulling through here. Looks like a wood duck, maybe a mallard. Not sure at this point, but yeah, we'll check it out here, and I'll get a couple of shots and put them up if they turn out. All right, talk to you in a minute. If I got it or not, but we'll see here in a little bit. Might have got him swallowing it, but I didn't catch him diving for it. So, but that's okay. Kind of caught me off guard a little bit, and wasn't ready for it. But it's a really nice day out here in the park, and we're gonna walk around a little bit more and see if we can find some other birds. I saw some mallards back behind us there. I got a couple shots there, and we're gonna be walking around, and hopefully we'll get to see some other birds, some aquatic birds. I saw a goose, and I saw Canadian geese. So we'll see how that goes, and I'll talk to you guys here in a little bit. The sun's starting to come out, really cool, and in the background you can hear the lawnmower going. So I'm going to vacate and see if I can find another area. Talk to you. Duck migration going on. City parks, that's what I'm going to call it, is you run into not just, people walking and hiking, riding bicycles and things like that, but you run across other photographers doing weddings, couples, engagements, seniors, and a slew of other things. I just ran into a couple of folks back there and took a couple of shots for them. So, but yep, we're gonna head over to the main pond and see what we can find. Talk to you guys in a minute. White egrets, they pop up just about anywhere. I got one over here. He's on the boat dock of the dock house, and he's just sitting there perched in this spot, so this must be his territory. I'm going to flip it around so you can maybe get a scene of where we're at and what he's doing. We're right up next to the dock house and the 1904 World's Fair Pavilion, so that'll give you an idea of kind of where we're at. But here we go. As you can see, hopefully you can see him, he's just sitting there enjoying the sun early morning, and we'll probably get out here a little bit and start hunting, but we got enough of those on the other one we just did, so hopefully the video part of that will turn out. I was kind of shaky, and but we'll see how it goes, and if not, we'll be back when you're. Yeah, you gotta love a city park early in the morning. You run into hikers, walkers, bicyclists, and they don't really pay much attention to you as long as you stay out of their way. So, all right, we're gonna go. We're gonna find another area and see what we can come across. Talk to you soon. Part of the forest park restoration project that they come through and they plant different kinds of plants and make sure that the waterways are not eroding to a certain extent, and they come around and they check everything out. They plant trees and plant other grasses, make sure the animals aren't being harassed. There's a couple of guys floating down the river. But I'm going to talk a little bit about Forest Park. It is probably the biggest municipality park in the nation. I believe acreage-wise, it is bigger than Central Park. But you know, there's certain areas of the area that you just can't go into and stuff like that. But it is big, and it has been here shortly thereafter of the World's Fair. Simply due to the fact that people were moving out west of St. Louis, and they felt the need that there would need to be a natural area for people to enjoy. And so the park was created, and then came the museums, the opera house, the theaters, and now the natural waterways that they're slowly building in. The dock house has been here for a long time as well, and I'm not sure what the date on that is, but it has been here a long time. And I did a series of videos, like I said, last year on the whole park. But we're just going to walk around a little bit and see if we can get some shots of more birds and or ducks and egrets. So, all right, man. Talk to you guys in a little bit. I think we're just about done here. It's about 10:30, and we've been here a good 2 hours, 2.5 hours, and the sun's getting up. And, the light is not doing so good, but we're gonna walk over here across one more bridge and see if we can take a look down the channels and see if we can see anything. But yeah, it was a pretty good day. Can't complain. Always good to get out and get some pictures and a little bit of video. So we're gonna walk over here a little bit, and if we see something, I'll put it up. If not, this will be the end of the video, and I'll talk.